we're back at the chorus. So we're holding out that drone, and then we're just playing A minor, F, C, and G again. Now, since the intensity's there, you might not want to play that drone. You might just want to stack up on the chords, and you can do that right. Right? But we choose to hold that drone in there. Okay, so in the instrumental, we have a couple of options that we can do to our approach. In that approach, I was just doing the line, so I'll go over the line slowly right now. One more time, slowly. Right, so that's one approach that we can have. Another approach that we can have is just playing the chords. So it's the same chords as the chorus, the second chorus. So A minor, F, C, and then G. Another approach that we can have as aux players is we can do the line and the chords. So that would be it just kind of depends on what approach you want to take as an aux player, but you do have all those options. The reason why I was just doing the lead part is because the sound part that I have is monophonic. That means you can only play one note at a time, so you can't play chords. So I was just doing that lead part.
Thank you for watching another UPCI Music Ministry video on YouTube. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Also, make sure and subscribe to our channel in order to get the latest content videos and tutorials.